Kaizer Chiefs squandered a chance to cement their berth in the top 8 when they played to a 1-1 draw against AmaZulu at Moses Mabhida Stadium. The point still took Chiefs to position 8 on the standing, albeit they are level on points with 9th placed Polokwane City, who happened to their next opponent. Chiefs boast a better goal difference. AmaZulu had a penalty appeal in the dying minutes of the game when Chiefs defender Njabulo Ngcobo appeared to have touched the ball with his hand inside the box, but referee Olani Kwinda waved play on, sparking protest from Mosotho coach Pablo Franco on the bench. From the word go, both teams were purposeful in their attacks. Chiefs took the lead as early as the 2nd minute via Ashley Dupree, who brilliantly intercepted a miscalculated back pass by AmaZulu midfielder Celimpilo Ngema before beating a goalkeeper Veli Mota with the inside of his foot from close range. Usotho was dealt a major blow when the centre-back Ramahlwe Mphahlele was forced off with what looked like a groin strain in the 28th minute. Mbongeni Gumede replaced him. Chiefs relied more on transitional plays while AmaZulu knocked the ball around nicely for the better part of the first stanza. Usotho's dominance would pay off in the 39th minute when Victor Letsoale nodded home a nice cross from Augustine Mulanga, but he looked offside. Mduduzi Shabalala hit the upright a few minutes before Letsolo's goal. AmaZulu continued to dominate even in the second half, but Amakhosi had a spell of dominance of their own midway through the stanza before they regressed. Shabalala being replaced by Edson Castillo in the 60th minute, Chiefs further lacked the creativity Shabalala was providing. The visitors would have the little bit of creativity when they introduced fan favorite Mfundo Vilakazi for Sibongiseni Mthethwa in the 75th minute. The two of their regular centre-backs in Admilson Dove and Given Simango suspended, Chiefs resorted to Tatayone Ditlokwe and Ngcobo at the heart of their defense. Veteran goalkeeper Itumile Nkuna was rarely on the bench thanks to Brandon Peterson's suspension. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.